Some of you might be thinking, can I really learn Spanish at my age? And the answer is a big and enthusiastic sí. Yes, you absolutely can. Bienvenidos, soy Carolina, and I totally get it. Starting something new, especially a language, can feel intimidating. But here's the thing, Spanish is not just about memorizing grammar rules or vocabulary. It's about discovering new ways to express yourself, to connect with the world around you, to make new friends, to keep your mind sharp, and honestly, to have fun along the way. As we say in Spanish, nunca es tarde. So if you're ready to make learning Spanish fun, easy, and accessible, you've come to the right place. We're building something special here, where you can connect, learn, and practice. And I'm honored to be part of your Spanish learning journey. We're all here to learn together. Bienvenidos.